everyone, it's Emma from Scrap Goodies. I'm going to be showing you how to use a Sizzix Big Shot today. We're going to be cutting out a circle and then we're going to be embossing it. So once you've unwrapped your machine, you'll notice that it comes with two cutting pads and this little die adapter. And the best thing about the Sizzix, I find, is that all your die adapters are all screwed together, so there's no chance of them getting lost. So as you can see, just flip them over to suit what items you have. And another good thing about Sizzix is it actually shows you what to use for what dies you have or what embossing folders you have. So today we're going to start with just cutting out a simple circle. So it's this particular one that I'm using is a framelits. So I'm going to come over here. This says just the die adapter and two cutting mats. So I'm going to put one cutting mat down. I'm going to get my piece of paper, put him down first. Put the circle, if you've got an image on there, just line it up with the image, but I'm not too fussed on where I cut this time. And then next cutting mat down. Now what you want to do, you want to push gently while you're rolling, just till it grabs, and then just keep rolling. That was a little awkward snap, but not to worry, it doesn't look like anything's broken. Sometimes those snaps just scare the absolute crap out of me, hey. So we're going to roll back because the cardstock that I'm using is actually quite thick and I want to make sure that it goes all the way through. I'm going to get out your image of the die will just pop out and you can just pop in the center and there you have a circle, which is perfect every time. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go to my die adapter. Now I've got a Sizzix textured embossing folder here which I would like to use. So I'm going to use this textured impressions one, which involves having the mat out like so. I might move this back a little bit so I can show you. So you mat out, we need our cutting pad down. We're going to pop our circle inside the embossing folder, and then I'm going to pop the second cutting mat on top, and again just push it till it catches and then roll through your machine. You can do it once, twice. I find doing it once is sufficient with the embossing folders. And then we're going to pull this up. Now I've actually done this back to front, but as you can see we've got the textures that we want. Now you can do anything with those textures. You can ink them, sand them. Honestly, your imagination is your limits. And my little one's just about to wake up in a second, so I'm going to let you go. I hope you really enjoyed the tutorial and I look forward to the next one. Ciao ciao!